Alrighty, guys, awesome. And once again, thank you guys for hopping on. Welcome. And today, guys, I'm not going to take too much of you guys' time. I appreciate you guys hopping on once again. And simply, guys, I just wanted today, I want to make one thing clear that I'm not here to try to sell you guys on anything, right? You guys are all here because you're interested in learning institutional trading, smart money trading, right? And seeing what Empire IX is all about. And that's simply all I'm here is. I'm here to simply just provide you guys with information on who we are and what we do here at Empire IX and how we can benefit you guys. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and bring up my presentation. Okay, here we go. And so, like I said, guys, we're just going to be simply providing information on who we are and how we can benefit you guys today. And if you guys have questions, please save them for the end, and we'll answer them as we go along. Okay. So, guys, once again, we are Empire IX. Okay. So just real quick before we get started, a little disclaimer, just simply saying that IX Global is not a registered broker. We're simply an educational platform. Okay. We're not financial advisors. We're educators. Past performance does not indicate future results, right? We don't guarantee anything. We're simply educators here to help you guys. Trading involves risk. Risk means potential loss, and we're not responsible for those losses, right? We're simply, once again, guys, just an educational platform here to help you on your trading journey, okay? All terms and conditions can be found within the IX Global app, okay? So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and bring up the presentation. Let's talk a little bit about us, right? So once again, we are Empire IX, and we were independent. We were working by ourselves, educating, and we were Empire Trade Group at first until we met up with IX Global, right? We met them and we decided to join forces. And the reason we made this merger happen was simply because both sides had the same values, right? You guys can see it here at the bottom of your screen where it says innovate, inspire, and impact, right? That was both sides' goals, is to create the best educational platform to help people become the people they want to be, really impact their lives and help them reach the next level, reach whatever they're going after to help you guys, get to that level, right? And that's what brings me to this slide where it says we want to help you guys achieve your exponential growth, right? A lot of us, we may have a okay job, we may have an okay family life, right? We're living, right? We're doing all right, we're stable, but we're not growing, right? Have you guys ever heard that saying that if you're not growing, you're dying, right? You want to grow, you want to become better. We want to all reach that next level, right? Whether it's financially, whether it's mentally, whether it's physically, maybe you want to get in shape, whatever it may be, guys, you want to reach the next level. That's your goal, is to reach that next level and become a better version of you, right? And so that brings me to this next question. Can you imagine a life without limits where you can enjoy your time and money doing what you like the most, right? Let me say that again. Can you imagine a life without limits where you can enjoy your time and money doing what you like the most, right? And then I want to ask you guys a follow-up question. Are you able to do that now with your current circumstances, right? And I'm sure a lot of us, or excuse me, I'm sure the answer to that for a lot of us is no, right? We're stuck in a place where we're not able to go and do what we want. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you want to just spend more time with family. Maybe you want to, I don't know, maybe you want to go out on the weekends more, whatever it may be. Your goal is to you want to do some more stuff, right? And whether it's just time, whether it's want more money, whether it's to do something huge, a lot of us need the money to be able to do that, right? And so money doesn't necessarily mean happiness, right? Well, true wealth is not about money and possessions and all that, right? True wealth is actually defined by the happiness that you get with that money, right? So what I mean is, like, you can have a great job making lots of money, doing great, but if you never get to see your family, you never get time off, and you're stuck at a job you don't really like what you do, right? Versus somebody who works, maybe makes a half of what you make, but they're doing what they love. Maybe they're a vet, or maybe they're an artist or creator, whatever it may be, and they love what they do. They go to their job, they're happy, they come home, they have time to spend with their family, go on vacations, whatever it may be. I would say that second person is a lot more wealthier than the first person. Would you agree? And so that's what we're trying to do here, is provide a service and a skill set to you guys to where you guys can get that financial freedom. You guys can get true wealth by being happy with what you got, right? So let's move on to the next slide. And a lot of us fall into this employee category, and there's nothing wrong with being an employee. I'm not going to bash on 9 to 5s and all that like some other people do. I'm simply just saying you got to ask yourself, no matter what category you're in, are you happy, right? You come down here to employee, a lot of us are stuck at a job just because we need it to pay the bills, right? We need it to live off of, right? But you really have no control of your time or income. A lot of the times you don't, right? And so what we're trying to hear today is to show you guys a skill set and help interest you guys in learning the skill set that can help you get out of this employee category and become an investor right here, 1% of the world, where you guys can not only make money from your phone and all this, but you guys can gain that financial freedom. Okay, that's what we're here to talk about. Okay. Now, before we get into MPRIX, I want to talk about IX Global as a whole, right? IX Global is an ecosystem for all entrepreneurs. Okay, so whether you want to learn more about e-commerce or grow a brand, with digital tools, right, or learn in the financial markets like Forex, right, learn how to trade Forex, guys, IX Global has that for you. You guys can join a community where you guys can learn with others and learn together. Okay. So today, like I said, we're going to be talking more about the financial markets because that's where us, MPRIX, that's where our specialty lies, right? We are in the Forex industry. We're at Forex educators to help you guys learn this skill set and learn how to invest in these markets. Okay. So getting into a little bit more about MPRIX, guys, the first thing you'll do when you guys sign up is simply come to our website, www.empiretradegroup.com, or go ahead and scan our QR code here. And simply, guys, whether you're a member or you're planning to be, this website can benefit you, right? So if you're a member already, you guys can come here and learn from our launch process. Okay, you guys can, as soon as you sign up, you come to here, you learn from our launch process, getting what apps to download, how to use those apps, right? Simply all the tutorials to help you get set up and get started on your trading journey, right? Along with, if you're not a member, you guys can come here for more information about us, about trading, exactly learn who we are and what you're getting yourself into, right? And we constantly keep this updated. We drop some videos, some free resources for you guys, so you guys can benefit off this website, whether you're a member or whether you're planning to be, right? So feel free to go ahead and type out this website or scan the QR code. I'll give you guys a second to do that real quick. Okay, perfect. Like I said, guys, this is our free team website, and this is where you'll start once you get started, okay? Then after you get set up with the launch process, the next thing you'll do is you'll come to the iTrade Academy, okay? This is provided by IX Global. And essentially, guys, this is the Forex Basics, right? So if you've never traded before in your life, this is the first time coming here, that's okay. Don't be, there's no reason to be scared, right? We have that launch process to help you guys get set up. And then we also have the basics, so you guys can learn the terminology, a little bit more about what Forex is in general, and simply everything you need to start getting set up. Like, okay, now I know this, I know what a buy versus a sell is. I know risk management, stuff like that. You're learning all the things in the very beginning to help you guys grow and start out your trading journey from the very beginning where we all started. Okay, so you guys will come to the iTrade Academy for that. Okay, now I like to call these basics like the prerequisites or the K through 12 education, the secondary education, right? And the reason why is because once you guys pass these basics, you guys are set up, you come to the basics, you learn the terminology, you learn everything you need from the beginning. Now you guys can enroll in the Empire Trading University, okay? And this is one thing that makes us different from every other platform that I truly believe, right? We are Empire IX and we have the Empire Trading University. What this is we have an academy with videos, not only videos, but quizzes as well after each video to help you guys learn just like a college course, just like a university style course, right? Where you guys can come in here, you'll start out as a freshman, right? And then you'll watch all the freshman level courses, take the quizzes as well, move on to sophomore, then junior, then senior, and be able to learn like you're actually taking a college course, right? That's what we designed this academy behind, is essentially, start out as a freshman, go through senior, pass the quizzes, watch the videos, right? And simply just go through this course like it's an actual college course, right? So we have this academy to help you guys truly learn and truly test yourself on what you just watched in those videos with those quizzes, right? And so we also have live classes and trading sessions 6 days a week, just like a college course, right? You go through the academy, you go through your online, you watch your videos, you take your quizzes, and then you hop on the live classes though, right? So not only are you watching the videos and taking those quizzes, kind of like a textbook style where you're reading the textbook, now you can hop on the live classes and actually learn in depth these concepts, right? And so I'll talk about those a little bit more in the next slide, but I also want to point out that we are different because our trading is institutional trading, right? We are institutional traders. And what that means is essentially, we're not here to kind of teach patterns and teach support and resistance and a lot of things that other people look for. And that there's nothing wrong with that per se. It's just when you're trading those type of patterns and stuff, you need to see that exact kind of image, right? And essentially when you trade institutionally, you're not looking for images, you're not looking for patterns, you're not looking for anything like that. You're looking for the bank logic. What moves the markets? Well, the banks do, right? The large institutions, right? They're the ones that move the markets and they move it for a reason, right? They don't just move the markets just to move the markets, right? And so what we're here to teach you is teach you essentially what how the banks move the markets. what is the logic behind it? Why are they moving here? What is the reason the market made this move, right? And so that's what makes us different from a lot of other companies, is that essentially we're teaching you the reason, the logic behind each move, right? And so you guys can learn that here with our University Style Academy at Empire Trading University, okay? Now, one more thing before we talk about the classes again, is I want to go ahead and talk about another reason why we're completely different, is because we have a funded trader program. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, Funded is essentially a program to help people pass the FTMO challenge. Okay, what is FTMO for all the people that don't know? Essentially, FTMO is a challenge, it's a prop firm that allows you to take a challenge to be able to get funded accounts, right? So essentially what you'll do is you go on FTMO, you'll sign up, you'll apply for a package, and they're going to give you a challenge where they're going to give you a demo account, and you have to pass that demo account, right? There's going to be 2 challenges. You have to, 1, grow that demo account by 10% within 30 days. Okay. And if you pass that, you got to grow it again by additional 5%. And once you pass that, they will give you a funded account anywhere from 10,000 US dollars to 200,000 US dollars, excuse me, right? So anywhere between 10,000 to 200,000. Okay. And you're simply going to be able to trade real money from a prop firm, right? And that's one of the problems that a lot of traders have, is not that they can't be successful, is that they don't have a lot of money to put into an initial account, right? So when you have a $10,000 to $200,000 account and you pass those challenges, now you're able to trade live money, make real have real results every single trade, get lots of money. And simply what you do in return for that challenge is you give them 20% of your profit and you keep 80%. Right. So it's a great deal to pass that challenge, right? They're always looking for great traders. And so what the funded trader program is we will send you trade ideas to help you specifically pass that challenge, right? So our traders here for GoFunded, they're sending you trades that are specifically meant for FTMO to help you pass those challenges by using all the rules and the regulations that they have to help you get that funded account, right? So that's an amazing program. No one else that I know of has a program like this. We're very, special and very glad to have this funded trader program. This is an add-on though. So everything we talk about today, GoFunded is not included. It is an add-on though. So if you want to learn more about that, please reach out to the person that invited you to this call, and we'll talk a little bit more of that as we go. Okay. But that is our Institutional Trading Academy and our GoFunded. Okay. And so going back to the live classes that I was talking about earlier, right? So once you go through that academy, you watch the quizzes, you watch the videos, right? Again, that's like reading like a textbook, right? You read it, you kind of understand the concepts, but you're not going to get the true value until you hop on the live classes. Okay. So we have our weekly schedule, 6 days a week, Sunday through Friday. We have all of our classes, different time zones, because we know there's different people in the world. We have people in India, Australia, US, UK. We have people all over. So we have classes at different times to make sure everyone has a chance to hop on. Okay. But in case you can't hop on, that's all right, because all classes are recorded and uploaded to the IX Global app. Okay. So in case you miss a class due to school or work or sleep schedule, right? You guys can go back onto the IX Global app and watch the recorded session during your own time, during your own convenience. Okay. So how awesome is that, guys? You can never miss, you'll be able to not miss a class simply just by watching the live or the recorded. Okay. Now, a great thing for you guys is that this weekend, once you get started, you'll be in time for my personal sessions, right? Institutional training and my Wyckoff wisdom, right? This upcoming week, I'm going to restart my sequences. So this Monday, I'm going to have an intro to institutional trading class. You guys will be able to learn everything from smart money trading, institutional trading from the very beginning all the way through. And that's an 8-week course. So every Monday for 8 weeks, hop on those classes to learn everything smart money trading, all the way down, right? You guys are going to be able to learn step-by-step in-depth concepts on those Monday classes. Okay. Then if you're ready to take it a little bit step further and go to a little bit more advanced concept, I have my Wyckoff wisdom classes as well, where this Thursday, I'll start with an intro to Wyckoff, what it is, talk about it. And as we break it down, we're going to talk about for the next 6 weeks on Thursdays, what Wyckoff is, how it applies, and how we can apply it to institutional trading, how they correlate. Okay. So once again, guys, you guys are super lucky, because if you guys get started this weekend, you'll be able to tune into those classes live and be able to learn everything from the beginning without worrying about missing a concept. Okay. So along with the classes, guys, we also have trading sessions, live trading sessions, right? So now you guys can hop on these live trading sessions and watch us trade live. Watch us in action, mark up, watch us in action, talk to us, ask us questions about pairs. And simply, we're going to be marking up just on a Zoom call, just like this, where you guys can hop on and see us mark up and be able to see the trades that we're taking and why we're taking them, right? So really just get hands-on learning and help you guys learn these concepts. Okay. How awesome is that, guys? Okay. Along with our classes, We have class reminders, so you'll never miss a class. We'll send those out. You guys can add it to your Google Calendar and just be able to get reminded about all classes. And then we also have Spanish classes for anyone who needs those. Okay. Cool. So not only do you get our free website, not only do you get access to our the Basics Academy, not only do you get access to our academy and live classes and trading sessions, we also have our Telegram, guys. And this Telegram is where we'll send out the class links and the class reminders, but it's also where you guys can get trade ideas, right? So if you're on a live trading session, you're watching us trade live and you're learning, that's great. But not only do you get to learn, this is where you guys can learn and earn at the same time. Where we will send any trade that we take, we will send in the Telegram for you guys to take our trade idea with us, so you guys can win when we win and lose when we lose. Okay. Now, we're human, we're perfect, or we're not perfect. We're not going to lie to you guys to tell you we never lose. We lose, all the time, right? We're human, right? But we will, every time we lose, every time we win, we will send those trades out to you guys so you guys can trade with us. And we're transparent about our results, right? So we will send those out as well to keep you guys updated on how we're doing and simply how the week went for the previous week. Okay, guys. So we're very transparent and we provide these trade ideas with you guys. You guys see down here this USD JPY sell limit. I know you guys may not know the terminology just yet, but that's okay. That's something you're going to learn. And simply, we send these out in easy to read formats so you guys can take the same trades as us experts. Okay. And so that's what we're looking for. And as well, I know we specialize in Forex, right? But our trading style, once again, we're a little bit different from everybody else, is our trading style doesn't just apply to Forex markets, right? Because we're using logic and not just looking for patterns, we send out trade ideas with Forex, commodities, cryptos, and indices, right? Our trading style can be applied to any of these markets because it's universal, right? It's a logical concept that we're trading rather than patterns. Okay, guys. So again, how amazing is that we're able to trade in completely different markets using one style of trading. Okay. Perfect. So not only do you get the trade alerts as well, you guys, we also provide additional resources. Once again, guys, we are completely different from everybody else because we want to provide that true value, that true education, that the best that we can, right? And so we have additional resources that we provide in the Telegram we have a handmade spreadsheets like our trade journal, exponential growth tracker, to where you guys can track all of your trades and your account growth over time. Okay. And then also, guys, when we hop on those live classes, you'll be able to learn with us, right? But a lot of the times we frequently drop notes right after class, right? So now not only are you on the academy and then the live classes, but now you guys gonna get like homework, right? You guys are getting homework from us, notes and things to really study, to really help you grasp these concepts and understand them in the markets. Okay. So we constantly drop resources for you guys, notes. Like I said earlier, we have Spanish educators for anyone that speaks Spanish. It would be easier for you guys to understand. We also have weekly updates. So anything new with Empire, we will drop for you guys and here in the Telegram, and just kind of keep you guys updated what's going on, what we have coming and stuff like that. And then, like I said, we have our daily class reminders. Okay. So just to recap everything, guys, we have our free website to help you guys get set up. We have our iTrade Academy to help you learn all the basics. We have our institutional trading institutional trading academy, right? Our university style academy, Empire Trading University, to help you guys learn from videos and quizzes to help you guys test yourselves. Okay. And then we also have the live classes and live trading sessions, okay, to help you guys learn in depth. Then we have our Telegram with our trade alerts. And then we also have additional resources, right? So you guys get all of those, right? Minus GoFundMe, because that is an additional program, but you guys get all of those included here with your package, okay? And so our goal here at Empire is to provide the best education that we can for you guys, okay? We realize that a lot of people out there, they want real education and they don't get it at some places that they want, right? And they kind of lose out on money, right? So our goal is to create the best education, real education, but for real people, for the average person. We understand that a lot of people can't go out and spend thousands of dollars on a course like this. So we want to make it affordable to everybody. That's our goal, to create real education by real traders to real people, all at an affordable price. And so everything you guys get, or everything we talked about today, you guys all get for only $144.99 a month. Okay. So that includes our free website, the Basics Academy, Empire Trading University, our Telegram channel access, live classes, live trading sessions, trade alerts, additional resources, all of that for only $144.99 a month. Okay. And not only do you get everything Empire, because we merged with IX Global, you guys also get their aspects of the Pro Pack, right? You guys get access to their full IX Global app, right? The full social media pages, all the modules. You guys get access to things like Travel Pro, which is discounts on travel and on hotel rates and stuff like that. You guys get access to ICOM and the e-commerce side of everything. And you guys all get access to everything IX Global, guys. How amazing is that? So not only everything Empire, you guys also get everything access, or excuse me, get access to everything on IX Global. Okay, all for only $144.99 a month. How amazing is that, guys? Okay, like I said, we want to provide the true education, the best education for an affordable price for everybody. Okay, and just to talk about GoFunded here, it is an add-on product. So with your Pro Pack, you can also go ahead and come to GoFunded, and for a one-time fee of $499.99. Okay, and then after that, it is a $49.99 per month. Okay, so you guys can add the GoFunded if you're really serious about taking your trading to the next level and trying to get one of those funded accounts. You guys can purchase this GoFunded as an add-on product. Okay. Cool. And so I know I'm excited. You guys see me excited. This is my product. I love it, right? You know, we've been working on this for a while, but don't just take my word for it, right, guys? We have a lot of people in our community. Ask your peers how Empire IX is. We've gotten a lot of great feedback, and we're always trying to be better. Like I said, we're not perfect, right? We are trying to become the best educational platform that we can. But guys, we're human, right? We are always trying to improve and trying to become better, just like you guys. You guys are on this call because you want to learn something new, right? And so our goal is to help you guys achieve your exponential growth, and we're also trying to grow exponentially as well, right? So we're trying to create the best platform, and we feel that we've been doing a great job as we got some great testimonials here. I'll give you guys a second if you guys want to read these real quick. But yeah, once again, guys, we're simply just trying to provide the best education that we can to you guys. Okay, whether you've traded before in the past or you're brand new, we are here to help you guys learn a new concept to help you guys take your trading to the next level. Okay, so guys, other than that, that is pretty much it. That is our presentation today, and I appreciate every single one of you guys hopping on. Before I let you guys go, well, I'll ask for questions here in just a second, but I want you guys to do two things for me if you don't mind, right? Number one, I want you to thank the person that invited you to this call, because not a lot of people have not a lot of people get to hear this information, right? They don't get this opportunity like you guys did today. And I appreciate every single one of you guys hopping on, because you guys are taking that first step to achieve your exponential growth. You guys are taking that first step to reach a new level in your life, right? So I appreciate you, and I thank you guys for hopping on, and I hope that you thank the person that invited you to this call. And then number two, guys, I really want you guys to think about that question I asked you in the beginning. Can you imagine a life without limits where you can enjoy your time and money the way that you want to, right? Can you really imagine doing whatever you want, whenever you want, because you have that financial freedom, okay? And then I want to ask you guys, what opportunities do you have to do that, right? Because today may be that opportunity to build the tomorrow you want, right? And so I'll leave you guys with that. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys hopping on. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys on Monday for our institutional training class. Thank you guys, and have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I know we have people all over the world, so thank you guys for hopping on, and I'll see you guys next time.